Welcome folks, this is Wear and Tear, yet another outdoor and gear review channel. Today I'm comparing the Osmo Action 1 with the Osmo Action 4. So this is a big leap between the two cameras. The Osmo Action original is a little bit smaller and lighter than the Osmo Action 4. The Osmo Action 4 has a much bigger sensor and on paper has much greater capabilities. As you'll see in the footage, the Osmo Action 4 completely destroys the Osmo Action 1. In every single department. There is no comparison in terms of the picture quality. Much greater details, much greater dynamic range with the Osmo Action 4, and that's before any software editing, before going into the depths of the Osmo Action 4. It's just an initial impression anyways. For me, it's important that a camera works. The Osmo Action never disappointed. Push a button, it always worked. No software hiccups, very unlike the GoPro family, which always had software problems. Now the Osmo Action 1 is a little bit damaged because it had a water ingress problem. I don't know how that happened, but it still works. Just the front display is out of commission. The Osmo Action 4 seems to be more robust, has a bigger battery, has an overall, the magnetic clamp system. I like it a lot. What I like most for right now is the simplified user interface and the very high contrast, high brightness display, which makes it much easier to read the display in the sun and underwater and under different lighting circumstances. So definitely I can feel a huge jump from the Osmo original, which is still a good action camera. There's a huge leap in picture quality to the Osmo Action 4. I expect great things from the Osmo Action 4, and I'm sure it's worth the higher initial price compared to the Osmo Action, which was a bargain compared to the GoPros of the time. This is Wear and Tear, over and out.